everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. I am here to get ready to bake some cookies. I am not going to make them, from scratch. I am going to bake them. This is the pack that I gotten from a store I picked up. It is called a white chunk macadamia nuts. So I had a taste for these, so I'm just gonna bake some cookies. I'm not doing much tonight. This evening I was going to go to Bible study tonight, but I was unable to make it because I was just in so much pain, just cramping a lot. So I went on, I stayed home. So I'll get information from other church members. So let's get started on these cookies. Alright, I am going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 14 minutes. Okay? See y'all in a little bit. Okay everybody, I just got them out the oven. And I am going to let them cool for about 15-20 minutes before I take them off this baking board here. Sorry, the shadow of the camera is on the cookies. Alrighty, I'll be right back. My cookies are finished. These are the macadamia nuts cookies, the white chocolate. This is what I wanted, so it is finished. They are good. This is it, you guys. I'm going to end my video here, and thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned and be blessed. Bye bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.